Hi there, it's Yukiko of My Goddess Path. And today I want to invite you to feel in to the current of emotions going on within you and perhaps also around you. The full moon that is coming up, it's a beautiful, powerful full moon where the moon is in Cancer. It's going to be back in its natal sign, the moon in its home turf of Cancer, an incredibly intuitive and flowing, sensitive sign of home and also of mother. You know, as we move through this time, which has been very, very challenging for many of us, where we are seeing different expectations and things that we've held as the norm in our lives starting to disintegrate, to fall away. And that can cause a huge amount of anxiety and stress, and perhaps also depression. It's also an invitation to see if you can recognize those states and how you might be invited to move beyond that. Not in terms of burying these emotions and anxieties, but in terms of seeing what they are attached to, what sort of belief systems, expectations are they attached to? And is that really now true in your current life? I feel that this beautiful, powerful full moon is really inviting us into releasing what is no longer into the flow of the water of Cancer, and to really go into the depth, to draw out the power of what it is to be really home for us. What is home? What is your land that you are yearning and longing for? So I invite you to join me in the full moon home ritual. It's the wolf moon. And really take your time in the way that is meaningful to you, the way that you deserve, to create space and time, to carve it out so that you can enter into this ritual space where you are connecting in with the rhythm of the entire universe and of the life energy, and to start to clarify what it is that you are calling in and what it is that you are releasing. The links are below, and I hope to see you there. Blessed be.